Last time we used ChatGPT to create a C# game which can play Hangman. This time we will try another game. We can try to create a program which can play rock, paper, and scissors. So I'll just open this ChatGPT window and I'll ask it. So as you can see, it has given us an output and then it has also given us an explanation. So basically it's using this random method to choose any of these three strings, rock, paper, and scissors, and then it's comparing it to the user input after asking it from the console readline method. And then depending if user choice and computer choice is the same, then it's a tie. If the user is rock, computer is paper, then user wins. Same for paper beating rock, scissors beating paper. And if the user does not win, then that means the computer wins. So it's a fairly simple program. But in this program, like we don't have an option to keep playing. So I'll just ask it to make a slight edit. And now it has rewritten this code and given us a while loop. And I think like if the user does not want to keep playing, like they should have an option to quit here. So let's see where that is. Yeah, so if user choice equals quit, then we will break out of this loop, else we will keep playing. So rest of the code is same. So I'll just copy this and we can try running. So I'll just create another. And we're not using top level statements. So I'll just use this. So I'll create, so we have, and I'll just copy this code and paste it here. And we don't have any errors. So let's just try to run it. So enter your choice, rock, papers, or scissors, or type quit to exit. So let's try rock. So computer also chose rock. Yeah, but they are not giving us like what the computer chose. I can just modify it a bit. And then it just write choices, computer choice. Now this should help us a bit more. So we'll try paper. So computer chose rock, I win. Now I'll try scissor. Okay, I have to write scissors. Computer also chose scissors, so it's a try. Now I'll just try rock again. Computer chose paper, computer wins. Now I'll write quit. And we have quit. Okay, so as you can see, the code given by us by ChatGPT is working fine for this game also. And in general, like for most small pieces of code, ChatGPT is great and you can use it. But obviously, you also need to know how the code works, else you would not be able to fix it. So it's important to know that. And also, the difference between using ChatGPT and Copilot is that Copilot allows us for finer tuning, so it can give us like more inline edits, whereas ChatGPT is more for just a generation of like one function or something like that. And also, if you ask too big of a question, like then the ChatGPT will not be able to generate the answer because it has a word limit also. So that was it for this video. So thanks everyone for watching.